making his pastors and his parents very proud wherever they are. From General Santos City, Harold.
My name is Manipack. My name is Whoop Whoop. My name is Manipack. My name is Whoop Whoop. Baba Boop Boop Boop. Baba Boop. Yes, sir. Baba Boop Boop Boop. Baba Boop Boop Boop. Baba Boop Boop. Rock, 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 rock. Let rock. Let rock, rock, rock. Let rock. Let rock. Go, go. Go, go. Come on. Satisfaction. Are you lady people? You wanna dance? Let's go.
Harold! Very own Santino, Harold! Alam mo gusto ko sa kanya, bro? What is up, bro? Lagi siyang nakangiti after his performance.
Yes, at syempre to clarify, lahat ng tunog na narinig niyo po ay galing po sa kanyang talent ng beatboxing. So good job, good job!
Good job! Harold, sabi mo, pangarap mo lang makatapos ng pag-aaral. Anong gagawin mo para matupad ang pangarap na yan?
Siguro magsisikap ako ng mag-aral, maghanap ng maghanap ng work, ibihasa ko pa ang talent ko. At pangalawa, gusto ko sana matulungan yung mga pastor na nagkampon sa akin para may balik ko ang kabaitan na sa akin.
I'm sure bibigyan ka ng Diyos ng paraan para ibalik mo o masuklian ang binawan niyong kabaitan.
Bless ka talaga.
Isa lang ang sinabi sa akin ni Friendship. Sabi niya, Friendship, siya ba yun? Sabi ko, oo, siya yun. Ganun siya kagaling. Napakahusay mo.
You know, yung pagbe-beatbox can be one-dimensional, but sa'yo, you took it to the next level and made it even more entertaining para sa aming lahat. Nakakabilib ka, Harold.
Good job!
Ako, I'm not a beatbox fanatic. But it's amazing what kind of sounds you could produce. So you're great. Okay.
Thank you, judges. Good job, Harold. Kung gusto nyo makita si Harold mag-perform sa grand final stage, isa lang ang dapat gawin. Vote for him simply by texting PGT space Harold.
Ulitin ko po, PGT space Harold. Your vote counts, mga kapamilya. Harold, thank you very much again.